We're ready to make some moonshine cherry bombs. Got this 1 gallon jar. I guess it's supposed to stay on the inside of the lid. It's a big old mason jar. It's supposed to be a cookie jar, but I'm putting cherry bombs in this motherfucker. This is a 4-pound, 10-ounce thing of maraschino cherries from Gordon's, GFS. And if you didn't have a cool jar like this, you just wanted to use this container, you just pour all the juice out and fill it full of moonshine. But I like to make a big batch, and I like a lot of that juice in there. Do it however you like. And yeah, this is going to proof it down a little bit, but it's still going to be good and strong. I got some good and strong moonshine. Hope I ain't getting out on my fucking cool ass blanket. So, I think that's a little too much juice. I wanted about half. That's about right. So, 2 quarts, what I'm thinking. Some good strong moonshine. You could use vodka if you don't have moonshine. Or any clear liquor. Just try and get 80 proof or above. This moonshine here is 120 proof. That's all you do with it. You let it sit for about 2 days. And what's going to happen is all them cherries are going to soak up all that liquor. When you eat one, it'll fuck you up. I'm sure you know. Probably ain't your first rodeo. Like I said, you could drain all the juice and just fill this full and leave the cherries. It's going to be good shit either way. I'm going to try one right now. It ain't going to be as good as it will be 2 days from now. But it's still going to fuck me up. And it's going to be delicious. I'll be right back. Fuck it, I'm leaving that thing on there. Like I said, anything 80 proof, you're fine. I'd say, yeah. You can keep this in the refrigerator if you want. Or you can just add ice. I love this shit. Love maraschino cherries. I know if you guys seen it, but we made a maraschino cherry wine. Coming up, I'm gonna make a cherry cordial. The cherry cordial moonshine. Oh, that's like cough syrup, motherfucker. I'll put you to sleep. Ain't no liquor in them cherries yet. Takes a couple days to get in, but they're still delicious. Fuck it. I'm gonna send these to Big Easy. I got another jug. I'm gonna make another gallon. Big Easy's got the Rona right now. He's on fucking quarantine. He's doing good though. He's beat it. Like he's getting over it, but I don't want to go around the motherfucker. You know what I mean? And I ain't trying to catch that shit if I can prevent it. But figure I give him some cherry bombs to get him through. I'm gonna make me some too and put them right yonder. I'm about to make me another batch. I'll make a TikTok video. I'll check my TikTok out. It's I think it's PhilBilly_moonshine. I don't fucking know. I don't like it as much as YouTube because you got to make 1 minute fucking videos and shit like that. The shit kind of fucking sucks, but it's the way of the future. So check it out, and if you ain't never used TikTok and you're an old timer like me, it's pretty cool if you like boobs. You see them bouncing, you just flip through, boom, 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 titties jiggling all fucking day long. Either way, that's fucking moonshine cherry bombs. Fuck your mama, bitch!